there's a function in my society right now. Jalao popcorn.
Hello, October, the month where the air feels a little crisper, the sky is a little softer, and everything begins to glow in shades of gold and orange. October whispers of warm drinks, longer nights, cozy corners, and fresh beginnings. Don't get fooled. October in Mumbai means
Okay, enough. Mumbai ki garmi. And you expect October to be good and cold and wintry? Oh my god. घंटा से कुछ होगा. Oof. I'm literally gonna go change right now because it is so damn hot. Plus, I'm switching on the AC. We can only imagine winters in Mumbai क्योंकि अभी literally बारिश हो रही है. Like 5 minutes ago it was drizzling. Hot coffee in such a hot weather out. Let's go make some cold coffee. चलो. I'm just going to give you guys a quick update. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably would have an idea what I'm going to talk about or the haul, whatever I'm going to give right now. Recently, I was invited to L'Oreal Professionals event and they had invited many influencers. I'm not an influencer, मतलब मेरे क्या 1500 ही followers है अब तक, but they did consider me. I think they liked my content and everything. And we just had to film the parts and they guided us with everything. It was a very nice event. I'll play some clips so that get an idea कि सब में होता क्या है. Like आप just देख के आओ. Say hi to Priya.
2,000 years later.
This is the best friend.
Yeah.
Best.
I just want to say I am so honored to be on Janvi's YouTube channel. So honored.
We've come to Starbucks. We are gonna get free Starbucks.
They know us. They know the obsession.
We can't start without coffee. We just got done with the L'Oreal event. Give a flying kiss. So they gave me an Absolute Repair professional mask, and this I've used, and honestly guys, it makes your hair so soft. I would recommend this to anyone who has dry hair like me or dehydrated hair, anything. One advice or a hair tip I would like to give is that do not apply oil to the length of your hair. This was something that I used to do and it literally dried my hair क्योंकि मैं शैम्पू निकालने ऑयल निकालने के लिए शैम्पू लगाती थी and घिसती थी literally like that because the oil never used to come off. So I used to triple time I used to wash my hair with shampoo and literally my hair का length got so dry that even salon वाली आंटीज मेरे को बोलने लगी कि मैडम आपका बाल बहुत ड्राई है ना, like that they used to tell me. So this is a hair tip that do not apply oil to your hair length. It is only meant for your scalp. If you have dry hair like me, then use a mask. If you're not comfortable या आपको chemicals नहीं लगाने आपके सर पे या hair पे, then you can always go with an aloe vera gel, दही, ये सब remedies भी आप use कर सकते हो. But then दही का smell निकालने के लिए आपको shampoo ultimately use करना ही पड़ेगा. So literally you're getting fragrance and जो चीज आपको बालों में से हाइड्रेशन लाएगा एंड शाइन कराएगा वो सब एक साथ मिल रहा है तो जस्ट गो फॉर इट मैन. द सेकंड थिंग इज अ सीरम. I haven't used it but I will give you guys an update once I use it. This is a shampoo Absolute Repair again. So all the products that they've launched is for repair only. So this is something that I've been using, and I will update you guys about this within 6 weeks or something. So this is a hair growth serum. देख सकते हो आप, I don't know if you guys can see, but यहाँ तक था बॉटल, मैंने यहाँ तक यूज कर लिया है, and hopefully मेरे बाल थोड़े बढ़ जाए यार. They also gave me a sleeping mask which I was about to buy from Amazon, but luckily I got it, so I did not buy it. The other thing was this. It's a portable tiny hair dryer from Alan Truman, and yeah, it works pretty well. मैंने चला के देखा है, but मैंने अभी तक बालों में यूज नहीं किया है. I am somebody who has never used heat on their hair. Like I know people blow dry their hair and they have that hair brush जिससे वो करते हैं every single time they wash their hair. But I have been told by my mom to not use any kind of heat because it damages our hair, which is very true. And Dyson खरीदने के पैसे नहीं है इतने. तो the another thing that they gave is this scrubber or exfoliator that I can use when I'm shampooing my hair. They also gave this in a tote bag which my sister stole from me, and she also stole 2 more products which I will show you guys. मैं एक सारा पूरा उसको क्या बोलते हैं, फैला के आपको एक फोटो खींच के बता दूंगी जो मैंने लिया हुआ है. I'll insert a picture.
Enrich voucher and another mask.
Guys, I made some popcorn, microwave popcorn, and मैंने इसको जला दिया. Every time what I do, I put for 2 minutes, and then if I feel कि end में ज़्यादा पॉप हो रहा था, but क्योंकि टाइम नहीं था इसलिए पॉप होना बंद हो गया, तो मैंने आई थिंक पॉपकॉर्न में गले में अटका है इसलिए मैंने 2.50 सेकेंड्स रखा. उतने में पॉपकॉर्न जल गया गाइस, एंड आई एम ईटिंग जला हुआ पॉपकॉर्न. शिट, आई एम ईटिंग जला हुआ पॉपकॉर्न व्हिच इज नॉट सो बैड. लाइक द आफ्टर टेस्ट इज बिटर. पहले मुझे बटर ही आ रहा है पहले बटर फिर बिटर. So since it's October का start, the week, only 3 months are left for 2026, or only 3 months are left for 2025 to end. So this is something that I thought of starting, is 3 things I'm letting go of and 3 things I'm welcoming in October. So I'm just gonna write it down. Go get your books. Let's write everything down. Got this new journal. Actually मेरे को किसी ने गिफ्ट दिया है. पहली बार I'm going to write something in this. Since it's October, I've been wanting to try this very autumn pumpkin spice inspired makeup look, and मैं अभी सिर्फ टाइम पास के लिए कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आई एम गेटिंग बोर्ड. सो प्लीज एक्सक्यूज द हेयर बिकॉज आई नीड टू वॉश माई हेयर, बट आई एम जस्ट लेजी. दिस इज वॉट आई हैव बिन ट्राइंग टू डू एक्चुअली. इफ यू गाइज आर कंफ्यूज कि मैं कहाँ देख रही हूँ, मेरे सामने ही यहाँ पे मिरर है, सो आई एम लुकिंग एट माई सेल्फ इन द मिरर and shooting this look. What I'm gonna start with is a moisturizer. I've washed my face, so I'm just gonna start with a moisturizer. This is something that I always do, is that I start with a moisturizer, and अभी I'm not going to apply sunscreen क्योंकि मुझे बाहर तो जाना नहीं है, तो we are gonna skip that. But if you are following, मेरे को hardly लगता है, but if you are following your daily makeup routine, then please do not skip sunscreen because it's very very important that you apply sunscreen. वरना जो आपका uneven skin tone है, like for example I have dark circles, वो वैसे के वैसे ही रह जाएंगे. So just don't be lazy and just apply your sunscreen and get out of the house. Second step is sunscreen, which I'm going to skip because I told you already. The third step that I follow is a primer. Actually, I wanted to show you guys what products I'm using, but मैं यार इनका फ्री में क्यों करूँ? मार्केटिंग कर दूँ. I actually wanted to show you guys कि what products I actually use, but I will make another video of my everyday makeup routine and show you guys कि मैं regularly क्या use करती हूँ. This is also something that I use regularly only, but I feel I'll make a separate video for that, and let me know if you guys like this. So I keep making ऐसे वाले makeup videos more. मैंने primer अभी लगाना शुरू किया है, and I didn't know that primer का काम होता है to blur out, you smoothen your skin, ताकि जो आपके open pores है वो block नहीं but दिखे ना basically. Second step is a concealer, and I love how concealers like work. So जहाँ पे मुझे acne है and जहाँ मुझे dark circles है वहाँ पे I apply. I blend it really well. I hate it when under eyes पे नो ऐसी creases हो जाते हैं. And don't tell me there's a function in my society right now. I was saying जितना crease आता है ना, I really hate it. And मेरी होती है, पता है, मेरी बहुत होती है. So if you guys can give me any tips how to avoid that thing, please leave it in the comment section. And please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, be sweet to me guys, and show thoda sa support. Something that I've been skipping is foundation, and I feel people should apply foundation only if it's necessary, because I don't like it when it's too much. Like भूत बन जाऊं मैं, मुझे वैसा मेकअप बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. I was saying कि foundation I am going to skip because I feel foundation तभी apply करना चाहिए जब needed हो, like really needed हो तब. So the next step is, I've lost the count also. I'm gonna just edit it out. Next step is powdering, जो मैं already कर चुकी हूँ. I'm not gonna go with the eyeliner and things. I'm gonna go with a really orange one. So now I'm done with my eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do an eyeliner, but I'm just gonna overshadow with a brown or a black eyeshadow and give it a lift, like a eyeliner or winged liner जैसा lift I will give. But I'm not gonna use an eyeliner because and mirror issues.